Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Science S. In this channel we discuss about interesting and main topics of math and science. Till now we have already discussed about different type of geometrical shapes and to find the perimeter, area and volume of those geometrical shapes. We have also discussed some of the theorem related with the geometry. And we have also solved some of the problem related with the geometrical shapes. Today we will solve a problem related with the area. Please watch the video till the end so that the concept will be clear. Before moving ahead, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today's the question is, a floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of sides 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Means floor, the size of the floor is 5 by 4. Okay, I have drawn this 5 by 4. If we will lay down one carpet, square carpet, that is a square carpet of size 3 meter, okay, then find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Means the area that is not covered by the carpet. That area we have to find. Okay. The question is like that. Suppose this is the carpet here. Okay. Okay. 3 meter. This is 3 meter. This is 3 meter. This is the carpet. This is the area of the carpet covered by the carpet, and we have to find this air portion, this portion which is not covered by the carpet. This area we have to find. So first what we will do, we'll find the area of the total area of this floor. Okay, so we know that how to find the area of rectangle. Area is equal to, area of the floor is equal to area of floor is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 5 into 4 equal to 20 meter square. Okay, now we will find the area of the carpet. Since the carpet is square in shape, okay, that is square in shape, so the area will be area of the carpet is equal to L square. Okay, that is L square. This is equal to 3 into 3, that is equal to 9 meter square. Now what the area we have to find? This portion which is not covered by the carpet. So this to find this area we have to subtract area covered by the carpet with this area of the floor. Okay, so area is not carpeted equal to area of floor minus area of carpet. Okay, this is on solving this. This is 12 minus 9. The answer will be 11 meter square. Friends, let's revise again. The question is asking, if the size of the floor is 5 by 4 meter and a carpet, square carpet is laid down, that is of size 3 meter, so what the area that is not carpeted? Okay, so to find this answer, first we have to find the area of the floor. The area of the floor is equal to 5 into 4, that is 12 meter square and 20 meter square. Now area of carpet, that is square in shape, so L square. this is equal to 3 into 3. Side is 3 meter length. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9 meter square. Okay. Now we have to find this portion, okay, area of this portion which is not carpeted. To find this, we have to subtract the area of the carpet with the floor, area of the floor. So area of the floor minus area of the carpet, that is 20 minus 9 is equal to 11 meter square. This portion is 11 meter square. Okay. I think the concept is clear. Just now we have solved this problem, how to find the portion that is not carpeted. I think the concept is clear with you, how to apply the formula to find area formula with this type of geometrical question. If you like the video, please press the like button and also share among your friends. Thank you for watching the video.